Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming basics. Make sure your phone runs Android 8, 0 or newer, and has at least 2 GB free. Once done, open Google Play, search Zoom, and tap Install. Grant camera and microphone permissions so audio and video work. Next, sign in or create an account. Verify your email if prompted. I explain why. Permissions enable live video and screen sharing, and a verified account avoids meeting limits or unexpected logouts midway through a call. Now join or start the session. To join, paste the meeting ID or tap the invite link, preview your camera, and choose join with audio or call via device audio so voices connect. If hosting, press new meeting and enable use personal meeting ID when you want consistent rooms. Make sure to mute when not speaking and use the chat for links. This prevents background noise. I show why each choice matters. Audio selection affects latency, and PMIs keep recurring meetings organized. Finish by managing controls. Switch front/rear camera, use grid view to see everyone, and pin or spotlight a speaker for emphasis. To present, tap share and choose screen, photos, or a document. Stop sharing to return to gallery. If something goes wrong, first check app permissions and microphone settings, then force close and reopen Zoom. If audio or video lags, toggle Wi-Fi or switch to mobile data. This fixes most connectivity problems quickly and gets you back on track.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.